Ever pondered the secrets behind crafting the perfect American macaroni and cheese in the comfort of your own kitchen? Well, the mystery ends here. Prepare to embark on a culinary journey that promises a delicious destination. First things first, gather the ingredients. To serve 4 hungry souls, you'll need 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 3 cups of milk, a 1/4 cup of butter, 2½ tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of breadcrumbs, a pinch of paprika, and an appetite for comfort food. Start by cooking the macaroni. Boil a large pot of lightly salted water. Add the macaroni and cook it for about 8 minutes until it's just slightly firm. Drain it well. While the macaroni is bubbling away, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then it's time to create the cheese sauce. In a separate pot, melt the 1/4 cup of butter over medium heat. Stir in enough flour to create a roux. Add 2 cups of milk to the roux slowly, whisking constantly. Stir in cheeses and cook over low heat until the cheese is melted and the sauce is a little thick. Next, it's time to combine. Put the drained macaroni in a large casserole dish and pour the cheese sauce over the macaroni. Stir well until the macaroni is coated with the creamy sauce. In a separate small bowl, melt the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir the breadcrumbs into the melted butter, creating a crumbly topping for your dish. Sprinkle the breadcrumbs over the macaroni and cheese. Dust it with a pinch of paprika for a dash of color and a subtle hint of spice. Now slide the casserole into the preheated oven. Bake it for 30 minutes or until the top is deliciously crusty and the cheese sauce is bubbling. Then, the moment of truth. Remove the casserole from the oven and behold the golden bubbling masterpiece. The perfect American macaroni and cheese ready to be devoured. So, to recap this culinary journey, gather your ingredients, cook the macaroni, make the cheese sauce, combine the two, add the breadcrumb topping, and bake until golden and bubbling. Simple, right? But beyond the simplicity lies a dish that warms the soul and pleases the palate, a testament to the beauty of comfort food. Now, you hold the secret to creating the perfect American macaroni and cheese. So, go forth and conquer the kitchen, one cheesy, delicious dish at a time.